Welcome to A Dash of Story with Donna Lynn. In this video, I'll show you how to use just one pack of paper to make a super fast and beautiful 12 by 12 album. You'll want a 12 by 12 album cover, one set of refill pages in black, natural, Spargo, or white. You can download the cutting guide and page sketches in the link below this video. You'll need one pack of 12 by 12 designer paper in whatever theme you want your album to be. It can be generic like our Totally Tonals paper packs, or a theme such as a vacation paper pack. You'll also want one pack of coordinating embellishments. For this video, I'm using the Vineyard Escape paper I got from a bundle promo deal a while back. Make sure your matte strip on your 12-inch trimmer is smooth. I noticed mine was getting kind of rough. There are 4 sides to the strip, so you can just flip it over to a fresh side. Using your 12-inch trimmer, cut 2 sheets of paper at a time. So cut at 1 inch and again at 1 inch. And because we're cutting 2 sheets of paper at a time, this will give you 4 12-inch by 1-inch strips. Set those aside in their own pile. Next, cut at 2 inches and again at 2 inches. Because we're cutting 2 sheets at a time, this will give you 4 12-inch by 2-inch strips. With the remaining paper, cut at 3 inches, which will give you 4 12-inch by 3-inch strips. Repeat the cutting steps with the next 2 sheets of paper. You will get really fast at this. Keep going until all of your 12 by 12 sheets of designer paper are cut. With the designer paper, it is possible to cut 6 sheets of paper at a time if you really want to speed things up. When you put your strips into piles, make sure you flip over every other piece so that you can see the patterns on the back sides. When you finish cutting your paper, you will have 3 piles of different sizes and patterns to play with. You can now follow the page sketch ideas as a guide. Starting with sketch 1, place the 1-inch strip at the top and the 3-inch strip at the bottom. You will see on the sketch a flower icon, and that is where they suggest you put an embellishments cluster. I like to wait until after I adhere my photos before I put my embellishments down. You can mix and match the patterns and see what you like best, then adhere it all down with your tape runner. Now, because we started on a single page, you'll want to go to the very back of your refill pages to finish sketch 1 on the back page. Following sketch 1, adhere a 1-inch strip at the top and a 3-inch strip at the bottom. And now you're ready for sketch 2. So flip your pages back over, open up to the next page spread, and you're ready for sketch 2. For sketch 2, we're putting the 1-inch strip on top of the 3-inch strip, running one alongside the top of the page and the other along the side of the page. Here's a before the photos flip through to show you how cute and versatile this album formula can be. This is super simple, so just follow the sketch guide for the remaining pages. When you get to the end of the sketches, which will be sketch 8, you just repeat them. They will look different because you'll be using different patterns of paper. There's enough to do a whole entire refill pack front and back. When I finish adding my photos and journaling, I'll be sure and post a part 2 flip through video. I hope you like this fast album formula idea. Be sure and download your free cutting guide and sketches. I have a cutting guide and videos for all 3 album sizes and creative memories. For more ideas and inspiration, visit adashofstory.com.